Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I appreciate everyone who supported me in the last video, and thank you so much for appreciating me, motivating me. So many people shared my video, and they liked it. They liked my way of explanation, and this will be continuing the same in the further videos. So I have an announcement to do. We will be doing C language as well, but I'm starting Android Studio. I am going to tell you about how to build the app. So make sure you subscribe that button, and hope you will like it. So let me give an introduction of Android Studio. In the mid 2000, Android was a word which was like fictional word in the sense nobody has imagined about Android. But in the year 2005, Google bought a small company called some Android Working Game, and after that it boomed up. So by 2014, by 2014, in the Android user were 82% in the world. So by that, so as the demand of the Android increased, so the various features also increased, right? So in the same way, Android Studio came. So I will be telling you about Android Studio. So please check my all the videos. Don't skip any video because this will be the link to another video. So we will be discussing about all the widgets menu, all the things. For example, buttons, text field, text view, labels, everything we will be discussing, and how to do that in Android Studio. So as this is our first video, I will be telling you how to install Android Studio in your system, and how to work on it. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because without internet connection you can't work on Android Studio. So make sure that you have a stable connection in Android Studio, and internet connection for Android Studio. Hello guys, now I will be telling you about Android Studio. So Android Studio is nothing but it is a basic platform which helps you to develop to develop your own app, to build your own app. So before that you have to install Android Studio. So go on Google and type Android Studio. After typing that, you will get the first link, and do that and install this one. Install this one. Go here, download Android Studio. It is 3.6.2 for Windows, 64-bit and 48 MB. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because to develop app, when you will be using Android Studio, you should be having a stable internet connection, because if you won't have an internet connection, it won't work. So you need an internet connection for it. So after downloading the Android Studio app, so this will be your basic interface. This will be your basic interface. So it would be like this. So here it will be start new Android Studio project, open existing Android Studio project. So if you had already an project and you left it and you want to work it again, so you can open here and see it's new. So in some cases what happens is, if you have an existing project, it will come over here in this line, okay. Now you can see, now go to start a new Android Studio project. So we are going to start a new Android Studio project. So now it is asking you to select your project. Okay, what does this mean? Let me tell you. So you can see add no activity means no activity at all, no basic window screen, no nothing. Then after that you have basic activity. Having a basic activity, I will tell you about all the activities in detail. Now on the top, choose your project. You can see that for Wear OS, TV, Android Auto and Android things. So you can develop for all of this. Now we are going to we are going to make an app for phone and tablet. All right. So you have to choose an empty activity and select the next option over here. All right. After coming to this step, here you can see the name of the application, what the name you want to give. Let me say it's our first step, so we are going to give the name as demo app. All right. Okay, and package name. See, this is the important thing. So all your activity which you are going to do is going to store in com.example.demo app. All right. So it is going to store in com.example.demo app, and also keep this thing in mind. Okay, so this is your location where your project is being stored. So my location is C. My location is C, user Android Studio project demo app. So demo app is the name of my app and it is the package. All right, now you have to choose the language. So I will choose language as Java. If you know Kotlin, that is good, but for me, for us, Java is best and we can do many things with Java. All right. After doing that, you have to select the minimum API level. Okay, so it is basically interface. So I will recommend you to choose as low as you can. So here I'm choosing 4.0.3, that is ice cream sandwich. Now why I'm using this is because it will run on all the devices. Here you can see it is compatible for 100% of devices, so it will work on 100% of devices. After selecting all this thing, you have to click on the finish button. So when you will click on the finish button, the next interface will come, and this next interface will take a little bit time because here your Gradle will sync. Okay, I will tell you what is Gradle is. So here your Gradle will sync your main activity, your Java activity, your XML activity, everything is going to come. So what is XML activity, what is main activity, what Java activity, and I will tell you everything. So what happens is all your activity are stored in the name of main activity. All right, so see, after clicking on finish, it is coming like this. It will come. So it is loading your project. So it is loading your project from it is loading your project, and here you can see today it's not coming, but most of the time it comes. It gives you tips. All right, now you can see over here demo app syncing. So it is syncing. Now what is going to happen is it is going to build a Gradle. Gradle means basic interface. It is going to build in which we are going to work. All right, so it will take a little bit time, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes. If your processor is fast, then it will come soon. My processor is slow, so it will take a bit time. So let the Gradle sync, and we'll see it. So guys, alright, my Gradle is synced now. It took at least 5 minutes. You can see over here 5 minutes. So it takes time actually. So when your Gradle will be synced, this will be your first activity. Or the first thing what you will say is main activity.java. Okay, it will take time. Here in this portion where my cursor is there, you can see over here what is going on. If any of the task fails, you have to start it again. Okay, the total time taken is 7 minutes 43 seconds and 277 milliseconds. All right, so this will tell you everything. This is main activity.java. So here your code, you will write the code. Okay, so let me say if you are taking a button and you are putting it, so what should that button perform, what action should it perform, that you will be typing over here. Okay, this is package com.example.demo app. As I told you, this is your package file where everything will be stored. Import means I will tell you in just a minute. Public class main activity extends app compact activity. Okay, so here you are making class. As you know that in Java you work with class and object. Everything in Java is termed as class and object. So public class, public means it is access specifier. All right, so it is access specifier. Main activity extends app compact activity. So app compact activity, it is inheriting the property of app compact activity. I will be telling you all this thing in detail. Okay, what is this on create bundle saved instance, what is this, I will tell you. And here if you come, you can see that main activity.xml file. So basically this will be the interface, all right, where we will be working. So this Android Studio software gives you a thing like, let me say, drag and drop option. So you can take any widgets from this portion, from that portion, and you can drag to your file. All right, so the default layer or the default layout, the default layout set in the Android Studio's constraint layout. All right, so there are a set of layouts. There are many types of layout. I will be discussing that also. Here you can see attributes. So whatever you will be taking, let me say any text, any button, any widgets, any menu, what you will be taking, you will be having attribute of that. Okay, attribute, it means it contains some properties, so it will be having ID and all. I will be telling you in everything in the next video in the detail. Before that, make sure that you install the software in your devices. That is, as I told you, Alright, so I will be telling you everything, and we will be developing our first step in the next video. Hope you liked it, and please try to install as fast as you can, because if you won't install, we can't work. Alright, thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe the video. Don't forget to hit that like button down there, and give your valuable comment. I like to read your comment, and ask me any question, any doubt you have. Please try to install it. If you are getting any error, please comment me, or you can also ping me on my WhatsApp number. I will give you that. And share the video as much as you can, and tell a lot of people to subscribe it. As if you are fresher, I will be giving you all the details about Android Studio in a much easy way. So please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and give your comment.